Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm so excited the holiday season is here. So today we're going to be cleaning, decorating, and thank you to Roborock for sponsoring today's video. If you enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. So today we're starting in my bedroom, and I was actually really excited to show you guys how I kind of redid the room. I was over the all white. I wanted some color and some richness. So I swapped out my duvet for something a little bit creamier and cozier. And then I also did a double duvet insert. So that's why it looks so fluffy. Also, I don't know if you noticed that I have two different lampshades, and that's because I decided to swap them out into these pleated ones. And I was kind of just testing it out and feeling it out for a few days before I committed to them. Really feel like it just adds some character to the space. I also removed the artwork from the top. I don't know if you guys remember the really pretty artwork that was in here, and I moved it to my office, so you're going to see that a little bit later. Hello, Rocky.
I'm here.
Start cleaning and mopping.
Okay, start cleaning.
Let me introduce you to my little helper this holiday season. This is the Roborock S8 Max V Ultra, which is a little different than the version that I shared with you guys in my last video. But like that one, this truly does it all. It mops, it vacuums, it self-cleans. One of the features that makes it clean so well is their flexi arm design side brush and the extra edge mopping system, which is perfect for getting to those hard to reach corners and edges. It's also smart enough to detect when there's carpet and when there's hard floor, so it will lift the mop up to get onto the carpet. But my favorite feature is still the 8-in-1 maintenance-free dock, which makes me go up to 7 weeks without having to empty the dustbin or dirty water. And this to me makes it a true hands-free experience. The new model has a built-in intelligent voice assistant, as you guys saw earlier, so it makes it super user-friendly. And it also has a really cute feature where it takes a snapshot of your pet anytime that it runs into it, so it knows to avoid it and also search for it. So if you're ready to upgrade your cleaning experience to hands-free, then you definitely have to take advantage of their Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals. Starting November 21st through December 2nd, you can get this Roborock for $700 off. That's such an amazing deal. So I will have a link down in the info box for you guys. Make sure to check it out. So this year I wanted to do things a little bit different. I typically go out Christmas shopping and then I come home with like everything that I bought and then I decorate. But this year I decided that I was going to decorate first and then just fill in the gaps. So go out and get whatever was missing, and that way I already had a clear idea of what theme I wanted, and I didn't just come home with a bunch of stuff, which I definitely have a tendency to do. I also haven't used like breakable ornaments in years, probably like over 6 years when Sebastian was a baby. So I was really excited for these because they're so sparkly and reflective, especially when you turn on the light. I feel like my kids are old enough to know not to touch. Elliot just turned 4 and Sebastian is 6. So we'll see how it goes. But I didn't add that many either, so I feel like it's going to be fine. So after finishing the tree, I determined that I want to add tinsel, and I also want to do like a big bow topper. But I'm not sure if I want to do a black bow topper or red. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments. Over the fireplace, I typically do a garland, but because the tree was so simple, I thought that I would keep things kind of simple with the stockings as well. But after looking back on it, I do feel like it needs a garland. So that is going to be added to my shopping list as well.
Alone in December rain, they play my favorite song. I see a snowflake melt on the deck. I'm awful cold and longing for the holiday, counting days until you're here. I've been waiting this whole year. Dear Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night, I know you may stop a light, but together we're alright, you know.
And then this console table typically goes where the tree is, but every year I started moving it over here, which ends up being really nice because I can store all of my holiday dishes in here. So when I entertain, it's easy for me to pull them out and put them on the dining table. And this area, I ended up switching up the decorations a bunch of times. Like I feel like it needs some height. So that is also something that I'm going to end up looking for, like something taller, maybe some taller trees. I tried it with a cake stand, but I wasn't feeling that either. Maybe like a big winter arrangement. But ultimately, this is how I left it for now, but I am going to be looking for something with a little more height later. So I went ahead and finished the living room. I added some more twinkle lights. I absolutely love these branches. I think I got them like 2 years ago, and sometimes I keep them here, sometimes I put them by the front entrance, but I had something in mind for the front entrance, so I decided to keep them in the living room. And then for the couch, I also kept things pretty simple, and I went ahead and just like spot cleaned it. Last year for Christmas, we did a Christmas book advent calendar. So every day in December, we read a different Christmas book. So I went ahead and brought out the first 3 to display on the coffee table because I think they're so cute.
Upon a starlight, I sleep under the mistletoe. Wake me up with a kiss on my nose. It feels so magical. Yeah, look where we were small. Someone's been here and there. The star kiss for all. Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night. I know you may suffer like. But together we're alright, you know. We're ready for Christmas. Can't wait to head back home.
Next, I moved to the front of the house, and here I added this beautiful garland. Like the way that it falls, it just looks so realistic. Also, these glass candles have been my absolute favorite find recently. I have them throughout the house, and I just love how pretty they look when you light them.
Halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la la.
The last place I decorated is my office. I had already put the pink tree up, but then I had this idea of putting it inside of this vase, and honestly, I wasn't sure if it was going to work, but it ended up working. I think mainly because the tree is so small and light. I don't see this working with a bigger tree unless I had some like major reinforcement on the bottom, but I feel like this just looks so clean and so elegant. So by this point, I was running out of daylight and the kids were about to be home, so I had time for one more thing. So I decided to go ahead and put out the snacks for our delivery drivers. We've been doing this every year since Sebastian was born. It's just a way for us to say thank you to the delivery drivers. We get a ton of packages around here. Hope you enjoyed hanging out with me. Thank you again to Roborock for sponsoring today's video. And don't forget to check out the Cyber Monday and Black Friday deals going on. I'll link them below, and until next time, bye.